The bunt-line hitch is a termination knot that can be used to attach a carabiner to a climbing line. First we show you a short instruction video on how to tie the bunt-line hitch. Then we show you again how to tie the bunt-line hitch with clear step-by-step pictures. Alright, let's tie the bunt-line hitch. Take the working end of the climbing line and poke it through the carabiner. If you want to use a tie-off to secure the bunt-line hitch, then make sure you pull some extra rope through. Bring the working end over the standing part. This forms a loop. Continue forming the bunt-line hitch by taking the working end and then go underneath the loop as shown. We are basically tying a clove hitch around the standing part of the rope. Take the working end and take it over the standing part of the line. This forms another loop. Now take the working end and go through this loop as shown in the video. Next, dress the knot and set it. You can add a half hitch or a double fisherman's loop to tie off the bunt-line hitch. Here we use the remaining working end to tie off with a half hitch. And there's your finished bunt-line hitch. Don't worry if this was a little too fast for you. Next we show it all again with clear step-by-step pictures. Alright, now we show you step by step how to tie the bunt-line hitch. Take the end of the climbing line and poke it through the carabiner. If you want to tie off the bunt-line hitch with, for example, a double fisherman's loop, then make sure you pull some extra line through to form the tie-off. Now bring the working end over the standing part to form a loop. Take the working end and go underneath the loop as shown. Next, take the working end and wrap it around the loop. We are basically tying a clove hitch around the standing part of the rope. Take the working end and go around the standing part. Here, let me zoom in a bit to take a closer look. Now dress the bunt-line hitch and tighten it. That's it for the bunt-line hitch. As an alternative, you can use the anchor hitch. Make sure to check out our other video on how to tie the anchor hitch. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.